Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to group objects in 3ds Max. Right, so first off, for example, I'm going to draw a box right here, like so, and a cone, just like that, and then maybe a tube. Okay. So to group them, all you got to do is just to press Ctrl A if you want to group everything right here in your viewport. Just like so, or select them. Okay, select them. Now all you're gonna do to group them is just go ahead over to the top, click on group, and just click on again, group. Give it a name, for example, random objects. Then just click on OK. Now they are grouped. Okay, when you click on one object, as you can see here, everything is selected. Now if you wanna, for example, edit one object in this viewport, okay, all you gotta do is just go ahead over to group right here, make sure that the group is selected. Now just click on open. All right, click on open. Now you can go ahead and select any object right here or edit any object. All right, and there you have it. That's how simple it is to group objects in 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.